It's snowing, huh? You want to go back out there? You want to open the door?
Oh, Daddy.
You want me to open it? Dakota wants to go back outside. Ready? Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wave. Say hello. Welcome back,
Too
Chloe.
cold out there? You want to come in?
She's covered in snow.
You want to come in or still
Look at
play?
Dakota, Chloe. Oh,
Okay, go
Dakota.
Go play.
Dakota's covered in snow.
I know you keep saying.
Yep, shoot through the door.
What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh.
That's deep snow, huh, Chloe? Do you need help? You can get up. Man, look how deep that snow is.
Look at Dakota. Look at Dakota.
Dakota, come here. Dakota. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Okay, come in. Hurry.